Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use HeyGen on mobile in 2026. So if you want to create AI avatar videos, voiceovers, or short content directly from your phone without a PC, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, download the HeyGen app from the Play Store or App Store and log in with your account, so you can use the same account as your desktop version. Next, open AI Studio inside the app. This is where you can start creating videos using text, audio, or templates. So yeah, tap Create Video. You can either start from a template or build your own AI avatar video from scratch. Now type your script or idea. HeyGen can even help generate a script automatically based on your topic. So yeah, pick an AI avatar. You can choose from stock avatars or create your own digital character if your plan supports it. Next, choose a voice and language. HeyGen supports multiple accents and tones, so your videos sound natural and global ready. So yeah, customize background, captions, and layout. This helps your mobile videos look more professional and engaging. Now tap Generate. HeyGen will process your script and create your AI avatar video automatically. Finally, preview your video and download it in HD, so you can directly upload it to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram from your phone. And that's how to use HeyGen on mobile in 2026. Once you understand the mobile workflow, you can create AI avatar videos anywhere, anytime, directly from your phone. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more tutorials.